Want to revise so efficiently your brain thinks you cheated? I'm going to teach you revision techniques that make learning stick. Fast. No fluff. No cramming panic. Illegal level results. Let's go. If you've got an exam and 2 weeks feels like 2 hours, this one's for you. I'll show you a step-by-step revision plan that's smart, brutal, and actually fun. Stick to it, and you'll be surprised how much you remember. Step 1. Plan like a hacker. First plan. Not vague, I'll revise later plan. A real plan. Split your syllabus into digestible chunks. Topics, not pages. Assign each chunk to a day and leave a buffer day for past papers. Visual tip. Color code. Red for weak topics, green for strong. You'll prioritize like a pro. Quick microscript. Day 1. Topic A, active recall. Day 2. Topic A, practice problems. Day 3, topic B. Day 7. Review a plus B under timed conditions. Step 2. Active recall equals the cheat code. Stop highlighting and start retrieving. Read a heading, close the book, and write down everything you remember. Then check. That gap is where learning becomes permanent. Use blank sheets, voice notes, or flashcards. Ask yourself exam-style questions. Don't be cozy. Step 3. Spaced repetition, small doses, bigger results. Don't do everything once. Revisit topics multiple times spaced out. 1 day, 3 days, 7 days. Use Anki or a simple revision planner. Every time you successfully recall, push the next review further. Your memory loves gaps. Quick tip. If you don't have Anki, use paper boxes labeled Day 1, Day 3, Day 7. Move cards between boxes when you get them right. Step 4. Practice like it's the real thing. Past papers under real exam conditions? Time yourself. No phone, no notes. This exposes what you think you know versus what you actually can do under pressure. Mark it ruthlessly. Repeat until your timing is non-negotiable. Step 5. Interleaving greater than massing. Mix topics in one session. Don't revise topic A for 3 hours straight. Study A, then B, then A again. Interleaving strengthens discrimination. Your brain learns when to use which method or formula. It's weirdly harder, but massively better. Step 6. The Feynman trick. Teach to own it. Explain the topic like you're teaching a 5-year-old. If you can't, you haven't understood it. Use simple language, draw diagrams, create analogies. Record yourself explaining. Listen back and spot gaps. Step 7. Build an error log. Every mistake goes into the error log. Wrong answers, confused points, stupid slip-ups, log them. Revisit them weekly until they're gone. This turns weaknesses into wins. Step 8. Micro revisions plus Pomodoro combo. Use 25-minute focused sprints, Pomodoro. After each sprint, 5 minutes of micro revision. Quiz yourself on what you just did. Those tiny retrievals glue memories like super glue. Optional power move. When sleepy, do a 5-minute rapid recall session. It beats watching another useless video. Night before plus morning of checklist. Night before. Quick 30 to 45-minute relaxed review of your error log and formula sheet. Don't cram new stuff. Sleep early. Morning of. 20 minutes quick-fire flashcards, light breakfast, deep breaths. Confidence greater than panic. Bonus hacks. 1. Use voice memos to rehearse while walking. 2. Teach a friend for 15 minutes. 3. Past paper speed rounds. Do 1 question in exam time and move on. 4. Use diagrams and cheat sheet-sized one-pagers. 5. If you're stuck, explain the problem backwards. Work from answer to question. Mindset and energy. Revision isn't only technique, it's rhythm. Hydrate, short workouts, sleep. Celebrate small wins. Momentum is your secret weapon. All right. Try this plan for 1 week. Slide into the comments and tell me which hack blew your mind. If you want a printable weekly planner or an error log template, I'll drop it in the description. Smash that like, subscribe, and share with your stressed friend. Let's make revision illegal level efficient. Love you. Study hard, rest harder. Bye.